Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, in our previous video, we covered everything that was necessary for you to properly operate Microsoft Word. So from this video onwards and two more, I believe, we shall be discussing how to operate specific functions of Microsoft Excel. So first of all, what you need to know is Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that was created to help calculate, analyze, and present data. Now, what you see before you is a generic spreadsheet. And as you can see, it has a number of functions. So what we're going to start by doing is breaking down the basics of what spreadsheet is. Now, to know it, one of the major things you need to know about a spreadsheet is the ability to differentiate between a column and a row. So what you need to know is rows are the ones that are labeled 1 and labeled with numbers. These are rows and they move horizontally across the spreadsheet. As for columns, they move vertically down the spreadsheet. Those are rows. Now, where a row and a column meet, that is a cell, correct? And within these cells, there exist functions. Oh, before I move on to that, a collection of cells is called a range. That is a range. Now, within spreadsheet, what you need to know, there are things that are called functions, and amongst them amongst the functions of Excel, we have data entry, which is, for example, in cell A1, I am going to enter 1000. That is a data entry, correct? And within Excel, we have formulas and functions, and you need to know the ability to you need to have the ability to differentiate between the two of them. Let me give you an example of a formula. So formulas equals to sum, and then you select your range, and what you see before you is a Microsoft error. I'm going to handle the basics of this in another video, but for now, let's settle what this is. These are functions. And then you have to close the parentheses and enter. So you get a total. Now there are a number of different functions, and we shall cover all those in different formulas, but as you can see, it is significantly more complex than using Word. So I hope you can follow along with me as we go down this journey of understanding Microsoft Excel.